Quick question. What do you prefer? Fruit trees or berry plants? Well, let me tell you which one I like best. Which are better, berry plants or fruit trees? In this video, I'm going to lay out the reasons that I prefer berry plants over fruit trees. Now, I do plant fruit trees and I will continue to plant fruit trees, but I prefer berry plants. Let me give you the reasons why. The first reason you should plant berries in your garden is because they will produce fruit much faster than a fruit tree. A fruit tree will produce fruit within 5 to 7 years, some a little sooner, some even longer than that. But berry plants will produce fruit in 2 years. Some even produce fruit the very next year. So let me give you an example. You have a blueberry bush, you put it in the ground this year, and in 2 years you will have a harvest. You could put muscadines in the ground this year, and in 2 years you'll have a harvest. Now there are some that will produce fruit even faster than that. A good example would be a blackberry like this one. You put this blackberry in the ground this year, and next year you can have a harvest. So you should put berries in the ground, put them in your garden, because they will produce fruit much faster than a fruit tree. Another reason to have berry plants is because they do not take up as much space as a fruit tree. You can plant these in more places. It would be easier to plant them along a fence. You could even plant them underneath another tree, maybe another fruit tree. And yes, they do not produce as much, but they're smaller, therefore you can plant more of them. And so another reason to have them is because they stay small. The third reason goes with the second reason. Because of their small size, the fruit of the berry plant, the bush or the vine, will always be easy to pick. You won't need a ladder, you won't need special equipment, you can pick it by hand. A fruit tree, on the other hand, if you don't keep it pruned, will get to be very tall, and you'll need a ladder or some special tool to pick those fruit that are very high. So berry plants have fruit that's much easier to harvest. The fourth reason I like to plant more berry plants in my garden than fruit trees is cost. Let me give you an example. This muscadine, if I were to replace it, this one dies, I need to replace it, it would cost me less than $15 to buy a good bred variety from a reputable nursery. $15. If I had a fruit tree that were to die, to get a fruit tree from a well-known nursery, a good variety, I'm looking well over $30. So, fourth reason, berry plants are a lot cheaper to put in and a lot cheaper to replace. The fifth reason I like to put more berry plants in my garden is because berry plants propagate a lot easier. For example, here's a blackberry. I didn't plant this. This just came up from the roots. I'll dig this one up, transplant it somewhere else. And so I said the last reason was they're cheaper to buy. But once you get them in the ground, unless they all die, it's really easy to propagate and replace those that are diseased, those that are sick, those that die. Berry plants, they propagate very easily. Reason number 6, it has to do with their size again. Because they're smaller, because they're compact, it's easier to protect them. It's easier to protect them from pests and from frost. Let's say there's a frost coming in tonight. It'd be much easier to put a frost blanket or to cover them with something with them being this small. Much easier than a tree. Also, because they're small, it's easier to put a net over them to keep the birds out. But I would say you don't have to protect them from the pests and the birds as much, because berry bushes produce so much. You can leave some for the birds, some for the pests, and you will still have plenty for yourself. The next reason is variety. If you have a fruit tree, you produce one crop, you produce a lot of it, and it takes a lot of space. Berry plants, because they're compact, you can plant different berries close together and have a large variety in a small area. For example, I have these blackberries here, I have these muscadines here. The blackberries are in front of the muscadines. The sun is here, shining this direction. If I wanted to, I could even put a row of strawberries in front of these blackberries, and I would have 3 different types of berries within a small area. So berries provide variety. Instead of having one monocrop, a lot of one type of fruit, you could have several different types in a small area. The last reason I prefer berries over fruit trees Now, I do have fruit trees in the garden and I will plant more, but the reason I prefer those berry plants over the fruit trees is because those berry plants are much more forgiving. These fruit trees, they're not nearly as forgiving. You get a disease, you get a pest problem, and you're gonna have to pull it up by the roots, and then you have 5 to 7 years. If you get a pest problem or disease problem in one of those berry plants, it's a lot easier just to cut it off at the ground because they're cheaper, or because they'll grow back next year, or because they'll propagate. It's a lot easier to cut them off at the ground and know you're going to get fruit very soon. So berry bushes are so much more forgiving. So those are my reasons I prefer berry plants over fruit trees.